Alright, let's do some formatting. Here's a beautiful, beautiful page. Let's put some filler text in and see what's going on with this. So I'm going to go get some filler text from somewhere. I'm going to find where my article is and paste it, and I'll just type it. You didn't see that because I'm such a fast typer. And so now if we look at the site, we see our type. Now let's say we want to put some graphics in here. Okay, so what we're going to do, notice that that 10 pixel margin around here is really separating those good. Okay, let's put a graphic in our right bar. Okay, so let's find our right bar. Where's what? Okay, here's the article, and here's the right bar. So let's put, I don't know, we'll put the pond picture there. Okay, so inside of our nested, that'll give us that nice padding. We are going to go to image, and let's put the pond picture in, and okay. Now look, that picture is going to be 960 pixels, so it's going to look like garbage. What? No, no, too big. So what? This is where those, remember where we have these classes? These classes with 25 and 100. We're going to put another 100 in there so that that graphic will take up 100% of the div that it's in. So let's go here and looky. Here's our image, our pond image. I'm going to put the cursor right after the tag, and look. Oh, it's trying to get that nested. Yeah, it's trying to goof us up. It's trying to watch. It looks like it's going to put it in the nested. So we'll just pretend. Yeah, that's pretty goofed up. Yeah, this is really something. Okay, but we will be able to fix it. So let's go here and wait. Where's it? Oh no, that's the targeted row. Okay, we want to target this image, and we're going to make it 100. I think it was down here, and it's probably going to put it in the wrong place. No, that time it did. Okay, so we have our pond image, but the class is 100, so we can see that the class 100 is 100%. I kind of made this easy on myself. Okay, so I'm going to hit Save All, and now when we go, we can see that our image is now 100% of the div that it's in. Remember, once we get into responsive design, and our wrapper is 100%, watch what's going to happen. Because we have that 100% class, watch what happens to that image. Okay, so it grows to 100%, but watch this. As the device that people are viewing the page, it's going to shrink and grow. So that's why you want to put that 100%, generally speaking. Okay, so we're going to put this back at 960 pixels. So we placed our beautiful, beautiful image inside our right bar. Let's put some illustrations inside our text. So I'm going to go find my text. Should be easy to see. I'm just going to put the cursor somewhere, and I'm going to place my image, and I'm going to play, I don't know, maybe the mama. Let's put the mama in there. Okay, so look, there's the mama, and let's see how it looks with the mama in the paragraph. Ugh, look how it pushes it down. Not so good. And the reason why is because we have a class for that. Let's say we want to align it to the left. There is a class called Align Left. It's going to float that picture to the left with a margin of 5. So if we go down here and we put the cursor, we can find our targeted rule, our class, right here. Oh, it's under HTML. And we are going to put Align Left. Okay, so let me make sure. Oh, nope, looky, it put it in the P tag. Great. I love this Dreamweaver. So I'm just going to put it in the image tag where we wanted it. So inside the image, there's a class of Align Left. So you gotta watch that Dreamweaver. That's why we learn how to hand code. So look, that align left class floated it to the left and put a 5 pixel margin around it. Okay, so if we want to do that again, let me just show you again. Let's put the babies up here. Here's the babies. Let's put in that image. Babies, open. So it put the babies in, but you'll see that it's gonna look all goosed up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a class on that, and let's see if it's gonna work for us. No, see, look, it's trying to put it on a heading. So let's try this. Well, we know what we got to do. So we're going to have it align right. Okay, did it? Oh, well, look, in the P tag, it put it Dreamweaver. But that's why we learn how to code, like I said. So now we have the image with the class align right. I'm going to save. I did this at home and I didn't have any problems that we were having there. Okay, so now the ducks are floated right with a 10 pixel, and that's why the style is that way. We can put a style line left and a line right. It automatically puts that. We could do a 10 pixel padding. So we can make these adjustments because why? We are the web masters. Okay. And you'll see that it still remains inside the 8. And so that's how you can put graphics. Okay, now that we have everything lining up as we want, we can go back to our Dreamweaver, go back to the bottom of T working, and we can, source code, we can take out that for design purposes only. Get rid of that. Hit save all, and you'll see that we now have a site that is falling into place. All done with percentages so that when we get into responsive design, it'll grow and shrink according to your visitor screen size. And there you have this so far.